Afternoon, crew. Join us as we sail down the coast of the western coast of Florida at Fort Myers. We're leaving Manatee River now, and it's about 90 miles. It's fairly a short sail. I'll be doing this one solo. Well, OG and Casper's obviously with me, but I'm the only human on the boat, which is nice sometimes. Sometimes single-handed sailing is a little bit difficult, but I have this boat set up so it's very easy. I can manage it all by myself, which makes things quite nice whenever the conditions get rough. So sit back and relax and follow along as we sail down the coast again to Fort Myers. Now from Fort Myers we'll be leaving there and transiting the Okeechobee waterway up to LaBelle, Florida. So yeah, just sit back and relax and check out the footage. Hey, good morning, guys. Coming at you here from the Gulf of Mexico, back out here in it, and just making a little bit of breakfast here. Got some oatmeal here. Pretty excited about that. Pretty hungry. I slept. Got some pretty good needed sleep. Let's see here. Let that cool down a minute. And yeah, so I got some pretty good needed sleep, and we're just kind of jogging our way toward Fort Myers. We're still moving on about 4 knots. I changed our course about 5 degrees, and that seems to be working out good for us because we picked up an extra knot of speed. So we got a following sea with us also, which is helping us. But we're doing good. We're moving. That's what it's about, you know. Just stay moving. You know, if you can do that at some reasonable speed, then you know, hey, that's good. So step out here. It's a really majestic view out here. So you can look. See just the beautiful rolling waves hitting us on the back. Outstanding morning. It's supposed to blow 20. It probably started off at I don't think we ever seen 20. I think about 15 to 18's all we seen, and that was early this morning, about 4 o'clock this morning. It's about 7:30 now, and yeah, so I mean, whatever, 20's fine too. That's what the forecast called for, but it never made it there. Sailing down the western coast of Florida is, I look forward to every year because it's so easy. The trade winds that blow off the Atlantic across the state of Florida, what does make it across to the Gulf, between that and the land breeze, makes for normally a very easy sail down the coast. However, I will warn that certain times of year, nor'easters will blow through and sometimes can wreak havoc if you're not set up properly. For those of you that are set up properly for downwind sailing, following a low pressure system down the west coast of Florida during a nor'easter is a lot of fun, and you should try it sometime. For days with really nice conditions and coastal cruising, also, we put Casper right side up on deck, like she sits here, and we can put paddles, fuel, anything we want inside to keep the deck clean. And sometimes we fill it up with water and and use it for a bathtub on some of these passages. It's quite fun. So, but only on nice days. I will let you in on a little secret that I do when I'm doing extended coastal cruising, more than 100 and 150 miles. When I go down to get rest or take a quick sleep, I tack the boat 5 to sometimes 15 degrees offshore in case I don't wake up for my 15 to 20 minute watch, at least I will be sailing offshore instead of up on the beach. So just something to think about. Some of these trails are beautiful. You can hear all the birds. You hear them. There's the ghost. Way out there. Let's see if I can zoom in. I didn't realize that. How about that? Must be the luckiest bird ever.